Welcome to the Beavers balance. Here at this watercolor stream, a beaver's dam stays steady only when both sides carry exactly the same weight. In algebra, we keep our own kind of balance when we evaluate expressions, taking written letters and translating them into real numerical results. Whenever you see a letter in an expression, it is acting as a placeholder for a number. When you replace that letter with a specific known value, abstract math becomes concrete and ready to calculate. Let's look at this expression, 2x plus 7. We need to evaluate it when x equals 3. Our first rule is simple. Replace the variable with the given value. But watch out for a common trap. A number right next to a letter tells you to multiply. So 2x doesn't become 23, it becomes 2 times 3. Now we follow the math, performing the multiplication first. 2 times 3 gives us 6, leaving us with 6 plus 7. Add those together, and our final value is 13. Evaluating a basic expression comes down to that direct replacement, followed by simplifying the numbers. It balances the algebraic scale perfectly, down to a single value. Things get slightly more involved when we introduce grouping symbols. Take a look at this expression, 3 times the quantity a plus 2. We want to evaluate this when a equals 4. The very first step remains exactly the same. We swap out the a for our specific value, 4. Because of the parentheses, the order of operations dictates what happens next. We have to finish the math inside the grouping symbols first. We add the 4 and 2 to get 6. Now we can multiply that outside 3 by our grouped 6 to reach a final answer of 18. Even after an algebraic variable is swapped for a number, the order of operations remains the absolute law for how you solve the equation. Here is our final level of complexity. We are going to evaluate 4m plus n, using 2 variables instead of 1. Let's set m equal to 2 and n equal to 5. With multiple variables, you have to carefully match each distinct letter to its uniquely assigned numerical value. M only takes the 2, and n only takes the 5. Pause the video right here. Try substituting these specific values into the expression on your own before we move forward. Precision in isolating and matching each variable is the only way to ensure the mathematical balance is maintained. Let's verify your work. 2 replaces the m, and 5 replaces the n, making the expression 4 times 2 plus 5. Following the order of operations, we calculate 4 times 2 to get 8. Finally, we add 8 and 5 to reach 13. This entire process boils down to 3 clear steps. First, substitute your specific values for the variables. Second, follow the order of operations. And third, simplify until you reach a single number. Mastering this cycle of substituting and simplifying gives you exactly what you need to solve higher-level equations and apply complex formulas to the real world.